Alright guys, today we got another piece in the mail. This is the Super Vegeta by MRC in collaboration with Yume, I believe is how it's pronounced. Show you the detail on the box. $400 pieces of this were made. They will not be doing a rerun. Show you the sides here. It's a Super Vegeta 1/6 scale. Gives you his dimensions. Then a little design of what he's going to look like. So we're going to open this up, assess it for some damage, make sure everything's okay, and then we'll review it and put it together for you guys. Alright guys, so we got everything out of the box, making sure that nothing was damaged. As always, we'll start with the base. Nice rocky detail with a little bit of grass on the right and left side of the base. Cannot read Japanese. I assume it's Japanese. I'm just going to assume that it says Super Vegeta here in the front. Then you have Vegeta, who is all one solid piece. And he goes on just like that. And we'll pan up for you guys. Looks all pumped up, like he's walking towards Cell. Nice shadings of blue, light and dark blue in his armor. Gonna be a short review, only due to it's very simple to put together, and like the others, you don't have to put the arms or anything else on. He's just one piece. I'm gonna take the camera off the tripod so we can get a little bit closer, so you guys can see the detail, and that'll conclude the review. So there's your close-up of Vegeta. Nice detail on his face, his armor. Down to the base. And that's going to conclude the review. Like I said, it was very simple to put together. He's all one piece and he just goes on the base. Like if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.